my goddamn house. Fuck you.
What are you doing?
What?
What are you doing?
I'm washing all these goddamn clothes when they come get this motherfucker. Goddamn. I look at all these goddamn clothes. I didn't get all these washed in motherfucking time.
When are they coming?
Huh?
When are they coming?
They should be here shortly. Hey, goddamn it, I done broke the motherfucker. Goddamn you! Piece of fucking shit! Get me going. Come on, man, I gotta get this goddamn clothes washed. My goddamn. Shut up!
It's supposed to make noise.
Shut up! That ain't get good. Ah, fuck them motherfuckers. Shut up! God damn, I need clothes washed. God damn you! It ain't right. What am I gonna do? Motherfucker! God damn, ain't got no money. What the fuck?
What is it doing? We on a different cycle? Dude!
Fuck them! Fuck them in that goddamn clothes. I get this. What the fuck is this? I done told you about filming me!
Don't anything. What is that?
Oh, hit you with a bird! Go on now, man. Look, I'm mad. Leave me alone. They come get the goddamn washer. I got all these clothes washed before they get here. Then what are you gonna do? Why the fuck you let me break the motherfucker for?
Can't stop you.
Goddamn, I done ripped that off a goddamn wall.
It's been like that. For like a week.
Who fucked it? You do that?
You did it.
I don't care shit up his house. I don't care nothing. All I do is get the blame for shit. Fuck you.
Are you really gonna leave a bag of garbage in it?
What are you not gonna, yeah, leave your goddamn clothes. That's garbage enough. Can't believe they come to get my goddamn washing all because I can't afford to pay. 1 week I missed. Had the motherfucking 8 months. $30 goddamn dollars a week. That's a lot of goddamn money. I could have got one from Goodwill cheaper than that.